Welcome to tutoring. This is hopefully going to be a very quick video. It's just kind of a quick video to explain what exactly is the virtual tutoring lab and how it's offered. So first off, how to access it. It is through the My eLearn, which you can access through my SSCC. All right, there she be. And I'm going to shut this down because I already have it open because I've got it open in student view for the video. So when you first get into it, this is your dashboard, and both of these are the labs. This one, of course, it says math lab, and this is the writing lab. The writing lab is not just for English, it's for any written paper. We're talking even chemistry and biology type lab reports. So the math lab offers 3 different versions of virtual tutoring, while the writing offers 2. So I'm going to go into the math. All right. Now, the first form, we talk about Zoom options. We offer Zoom one-on-one appointments. We also offer drop-in Zoom meetings. And we offer where you can do what's called asynchronous. You post a problem to us. It's all found through modules. Now, before you can actually do the one version, you must take the quiz. Now, understand the quiz is just 6 questions, and you can take as many times as you want, but you must score at least 5 out of the 6. And the answers are actually in the quiz because we leave the how to use the writing, both labs available. All right. So both labs offer something called the asynchronous option, and this is the asynchronous option. And this is where you are able to submit a file. You click submit. Now, with the writing lab, you can either post a document or a docs, which is Google Docs. So you can either do it through Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Or you can do the difference between that and the math lab is that you can actually post a picture in the math lab. Let's face it, it's kind of hard to type math problems sometimes, so it's easier if you just take a picture. So you can take a picture, upload a picture, you can upload a PDF, you can upload a document, and there's the file that you would upload. You know, as it says, again, it's a quick reminder on how to use, and you submit. You can submit up to 5 problems. Now, this version, both the writing and the math, this is very similar. A tutor will look at it, respond, and send it back. This is asynchronous. You're not getting to talk to a real tutor. Now, with the writing lab, they're going to go through and pick 3 issues with your paper out and tell you about it. You make the correction, you can re-upload. The math lab, we're actually going to respond with a short video. And the short video is we're going to work the problem or one very identical to it, and you're going to hear us explain the problem. So this way you get to hear it and see it worked, like as if we were sitting across from you. You just have to wait for us to respond. Now, where do you find those answers? When we answer this back, it'll be under grades. So that's one type of virtual. Click on modules again. Yes, I'm leaving the site. The next version is the one-on-one appointments. Now, one-on-one appointments is when you want to meet privately with a tutor because you can't make the labs. Or like in the writing, we don't offer a drop-in lab. Only the math has a drop-in lab. So you can schedule a one-on-one appointment. Now, to schedule the one-on-one, you can either do that through Navigate, and who actually has appointments available through Navigate is Bob Kraus for the math and Stephanie McKinney through the writing. Or you can send them an email using your Southern State email and tell them you'd like to schedule one-on-one. As it says, please make sure you give us a date and time of when you're available. If the tutor can match it, they'll do it. If not, they're going to give you a counter offer. This is the nice thing about making the one-on-one via email. You can discuss it. But it's done via Zoom. And what happens is once a time and date's confirmed, the tutor will then set up a Zoom meeting and send you an invite. Now, I'm going to click on this. Because I understand to use Zoom, we have another little thing called Zoom instructions in case you've never used Zoom before. You have to have the free software. It is free. Can't stress that. We'd never make you buy something like that. And we have some short little videos that Zoom themselves have created and posted to YouTube. This one actually tells you how to join a meeting, and it literally is, how do you join a meeting? You click the invite link, and you're about to see what one of the in links looks like. But in a one-to-one, that link would come to you in an email. Now, the third version of online tutoring, and this is only math. Writing has the one-on-one virtual through Zoom and the uploaded paper. I'll be honest, with the writing, the uploaded paper tends to be the most popular. But with the math, most people do like to be able to discuss it. So we offer daily drop-in labs where, yes, it is me, I'm Jackie, am available, and all you need to do, no appointment necessary. It's open from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. and it matches the day. I am available Monday through Thursday. So with today being Thursday, I would click the Thursday link, and right there is the invite. This is the same type of thing you would receive via email when it's a one-on-one, but since this is a public one, it's posted out online. To access the drop-in lab, you click the invite. Now, if you have Zoom open or Zoom downloaded, it will ask you, do you want to open it? Yes. If not, it will tell you need to download it and run it. But here we go. And you can see me. Hello. And this is what a Zoom meeting kind of looks like. Now, here's the nice thing about this. Oh, it's not going to let me. Right there it is. I can share something called a whiteboard. And typically I do this on my tablet, I'll be honest. But you can write. And this gives you the capability of writing also. Most times students like, yeah, no, they'll just tell me what it is, but we can talk to each other back and forth. And you can see what I've written. See me over in the corner. But most of the time you really, I'm not doing because I'm not doing True Zoom right at the moment, sorry. But we can discuss, I can hear you, you can hear me, and you can see what I'm writing. This is how a Zoom math meeting goes. With writing, you post the paper and she can bring the paper up and you guys can both look at the same time. Those are the one-on-ones. Both of them were done through Zoom. But as you can see, the Zoom was very easy to access. Back out of it again in meeting. Again, how did I do it? Either via email invite, you'll get this same link, or the drop-in lab with the math, you get the link to the meeting, but it does take one of the tutors setting the meeting. But we'll send it to you. And again, free software. So hopefully this answers some questions. Exactly what does tutoring have to offer, and the simplistic as easy as we could. We tried to make it easy and simple because we don't want the software for the virtual to be the hindrance of you receiving help via the importance of the course you're trying to get through. So good luck. If you have any questions, this is me. I'm Jackie. Here is my phone number and my extension. It does ring to my cell phone in our virtual land. So good luck.